Next time you want to sin, next time you get tempted by the dunya, next time you want to sell out your religion, just think about this. You're in that qabr. People that died 100 years ago, where are they? In that qabr. People that died 1,000 years ago. People that died in the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. People that died in the time of Isa ibn Maryam, 2,000 plus years ago. People that died in the time of Adam alayhi salam. Who knows how many thousands or hundreds of thousands or years have passed? Allah knows best. They're in that grave. Just that enough should be enough to keep you on the straight path. But for the mu'min, for the believer, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him that Allah makes that time for the believer so easy. It's like the time between two salawat. Imagine how valuable is that you die. It's like you're waiting for, and the qabr is made like a garden. Wow, like huge, vast. You're shown this could have been your place in Jahannam, but Allah protected you by you following what's right. Here's your place in Jannah, you're smelling Jannah, you're enjoying this just between two salawat like that time, and then Day of Judgment. 10,000, 20,000 years, like that. That is why we have to stay firm on our religion. But brothers and sisters, that's not the end. Then what happens?